Welcome to the tutorial for the website version of ChemPlace simulation software. So let's begin. On the top right corner is the login button where the user will have to enter the username and password. This is the starting page of our software. The workflow of this software is designed for the user to build their own well model using their well data, to run simulation, history match well model against field data, and analyze simulation results for prediction and planning of your next simulation job design. The starting page displays all the previously created projects by the user. If user is accessing the software for the first time, user can go on projects and select on create a new project. But before that, user will have to download the standard input format for their module. For that, user will go to input formats, click on input file format and download the Excel file for the respective module. Once downloaded, user will have to enter all the values necessary for the successful simulation of the software. Another tutorial explaining the input file format is present in the help menu. Now let's go back on creating a new project. Here, user will enter the project name, the well name and company name before clicking on create. User will now import the input file which has been saved on the computer. This can be done by clicking on choose file and selecting the input file and click on import data. The website will display the tables and the values edited by the user in the imported Excel file. These tables include the reservoir lithology table, the injection plan table, well data and fluid properties, and the well completion table. When the user is satisfied with all the values, they will proceed to click on next and then run simulation. User will be taken to the output page where they can view three output results: the analysis result, the sensitivity result, and the history profile result. In the analysis result, user will be able to view the plots for the simulated treatment pressure, placement, penetration, post-stimulation skin, and productivity index. In sensitivity results, user will view the change in value of the parameters such as viscosity, pump rate, concentration and acid volume, and the effect on penetration length, percentage volume, skin, production by comparing three different cases. In the history profile result, user will be matching the simulated results with the previous simulation job result. To check the outputs, user would simply have to tick the box next to the output and click on show graph. Similarly, user can view the other outputs by unchecking the box and tick on the box the user wants to view. This can be done for the analysis result and the history profile results. For the sensitivity cases, user will have to tick all the cases and tick on the desired output to view and compare the results for the three cases. User can download the outputs by clicking on the output button right here. For more understanding of the workflow and the technical aspect of the software, user can access the user manual and technical manual by going to the manual menu and downloading the respective files. Thank you.